Okay, here is an update on Bitshares. I wanted to see if I can generate some forest-based pricing versus the trees. Quite often, this kind of higher degree of trend. Note how I'm not saying longer time frame. I'm saying higher degree of trend. And I don't try even to project time. And I wrote an essay on that on my blog as to why, but primarily it's because time is not a reflection of sentiment, which is what price is. So they're apples to oranges. And trying to use the same methods and techniques to try and project time degrades price accuracy, in my opinion. So here, Bitshares put in earlier 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To me, that's a higher degree wave 1. Did an ABC correction, wave 2. And that ABC correction was very deep. I'd say around 78 to 86.6%. 0.866 is square root of 0.78 Fibonacci. So 1, 2, and then you have 3, 4, 5. I make 3 approximately 1, 2, 3.618 of 1. Usually it is 1.618 to 2.618 of 1. But I believe this is uber bullish. And therefore I've extended it by 1 more. And that is something that is very befitting of cryptos. A lot of the traditional classical stock-based eliticians will laugh at that, ask me if I care. I've been counting and studying crypto since 2011. And I've been doing technical analysis since 1997. And based on my experience, I believe this is very uber bullish. We will get a correction. There's a correction coming for Bitshares. But this correction is very healthy. And most likely it'll be a triangle, an ABCDE triangle. If that's the case, the subwaves of this wave 3 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is very long, so I think I need to even extend this a little higher, but I won't for now until I get more price data. All of these targets are moot points because the farther you go out into the degree of trend, of higher degree of trend, the less accurate you become. Most accuracy can be seen just before. However, this big picture allows you to see where the trend is directing towards. And I think the trend is very bullish. And I think that's very, very attractive for Bitshares. Therefore, if that's the case, then this subwave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 could have it so that wave 3 could give us maybe, need to change it to 312. I'm now updating prior targets. This will be 257. I like to usually target out my wave 3s and wave 5. To me, the wave 3 is one of the most profitable waves. And I always say the best time to buy is when? At the end of an ABC correction. So here's 1, 2, and look at this ABC. This is where I recommended, right here, at the end of this ABC. And I was following this at 4.5 cents to 5 cents. I recommended Bitshares. People were saying, yeah, sure. Do you know that Bitshares just delisted Bitshares? Are you crazy? Why are you buying this dead coin? And again, that tells you the difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental and news and events do not move the price. Price moves the news and events. To many, that's a bit of an upside down thinking. But that is one of the primary bases of my methods. And in my methods, I combine Elliott wave analysis and chart pattern recognition, and a dose of 20 plus years of experience as well. For those of you who are new to DTube and new to my blogs, you're more than welcome to come and check me out on my blogs. They're all listed here on steemit.com//@hedgen. at the end of each one of my blogs, there are free tutorials available on Elliott Waves 1, 2, and 3 videos. And I would strongly recommend you view the laddering video, when to buy, when to sell setups, how I do it, and a real time at that time when I recorded it, example of an EOS laddering, tutorial on the use of Fibonacci and Elliott waves, designed more specifically for cryptos. Because cryptos are not the same as stocks. They have a different personality. And for that reason, they need different nuances with slightly different ratios. So back to Bitshares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 of 3 should give us 257. 3 higher degree of trend should give us 312. I think this is a minuet level. And wave 5 should bring us to 361. Here now is the chart for Bitshares to BTS pair. And look at this beautiful, just gorgeous rounding bottom. And usually you want symmetry side to side. So I've now revised my Bitshares targets for the BTC pair. At wave 3 we should see 13,523 satoshis. At wave 5 we should see 17,648 satoshis. Huge. Just gorgeous and beautiful. You can see this doing a triangle. It's about to break out and continue the wave 3. And there was a very nice vintage classic 5 waves up impulse. And look how extended this 5th wave was. If there's anything you should know as a take home, whenever you see an extended 5th wave like this, you sell everything here, don't walk, but run away. The reason is because whenever you see an extended 5th, it's a warning sign that the correction will be quite horrific. In this case, it was down to wave 2. So extended 5ths often go down and retrace to prior wave 2. And this was an 86.6% retrace. You do not want to stick around for this. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. I enjoy now more and more using DTube, and I recommend it to many others as well. And if you have any questions, please come to my blog, comment on it, and let me know. Thank you and have a great day.